All right, top of the AM. Today is Wednesday, the 8th it is of April. So while everybody is quarantined at home, I jumped up this in the AM. I figure I'll go ahead and shoot everybody an update on how our process looks. Give you some insight on how some things look after we get results. Okay, Google, turn volume level down to number two. So I figure I'll just show you guys our system, our process once again, our software. We get things done, we get results in as little as 30 days or sometimes 14 days. We do have a 7 business day process, flat fee, no monthly subscriptions. You can always inquire about that. And of course, we have a monthly subscription, ideal to help people to be able to budget, and then that way they'll be able to get results still, meet their goals, buy their houses, get their auto loans, get their cars, get their business loans, whatever it is, their credit cards, all the above. Before I jump into this, we do have trade lines. We have primary trade lines, and we're not just talking Ox Publishing, My Jewelers. We got other situations available for you. Um, just as a reminder, be sure to hit the bell in the video. Make sure you do subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. So here we go. Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant. Check it out. So here on the screen, you'll see a list of our customers. We get customers 24/7. What you see in green is some new leads. We got some new leads in the last couple of days. And we got pages of them, hundreds of customers that are in the system, if you will. So yeah, we do get it done here so that you guys know. We do have an affiliate program for those who want to make money with us. Again, here shortly, we will be launching the Learn How to Do It Yourself course, as well as make money on the side. I mean, people can make 10, 15, 20 grand a month with the right systems in place and with the understanding on how this business works. So this is available for, affiliates or for those that's getting ready to take advantage of that course. So when that course launch, I would say take advantage. But let me go ahead and just jump in. I got a client in mind. Just had a conversation with yesterday, I think it was day before yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what kind of results we got from this particular client, if you will. All right. So let me see here. Where's this? All right. So all right. So we up in here. We got a nice little process going. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to like a pending report, and then what we would do is we would go again, as you can see here. This is 34 days ago. Okay, Google, next on. 34 days ago. Re-import credit report. Here it goes. They imported March 5th. That would have been when she first enrolled. One of our team members is handling the situation. So here we go. We'll go here. Alrighty. Importing. Um, we do use software systems in order to manage our stuff. We have a series of letters and things that we use to help people. We have a series, we have other methods to help people outside of our software. So there's always something that's not available to the public to separate us from others. But here you go. You can see here's a summary since March 5th. Says 45 deleted. Um, and then there was 9 added, but we got 45 deleted. Things that were considered to be negative are now deleted. We do get rid of inquiries, so here you'll see a bunch of inquiries deleted, which is part of our process. So we go down here, we get, inquiries deleted again, as you can see, real fast. Accounts are deleted real fast. Charge-offs, repossessions, charge-offs, repossessions, Wells Fargo deleted, possible, whoever, deleted. So we get things deleted. Victoria's Secret deleted. Um, Department of Education deleted. So we're getting rid of student loans, you guys. So that's available as well. Capital One are deleted. We're getting stuff deleted. So if we go over here, you'll see that this particular client, 606, 572, 523. But if we go um, to what it was, um, with this situation, we're going to see what type of score increase. Excuse me, had a little brain fart for a second, but what kind of score increase did we have here? So with this score increase, let's see what has happened in the last 30 days. Today is the 8th. This client enrolled March 5th. Um, so let's see if it shares what the score increase was. Okay. Um, Let me see. It doesn't show on this screen. Let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Oh, you know what we can do? Let's just jump over here to the client dashboard. So we got uh, 606 on TransUnion, 572 on Experian, 523 on Equifax. So we'll jump over and look at and see where the client was. Here we go. So let's say here, Equifax, they were 498, Experian 490, and TransUnion 498. That was March 5th. Okay, and I just showed you guys the pending report for today. Again, this is saying 34 days ago. So 606 versus 498. Okay, 572 versus 490. 523 versus 498. So, you got a good from the grab this handy calculator here just to be sure. 606 subtract 498. That's 108 points. Oh, there you have it. That's the screen I was looking for. So here you go, 82 points right here on Experian. Went up 25 points here on Equifax, 108 points on TransUnion. And this is all within 30 days. So it's only going to get better. But yeah, we got a cool little system. This client hasn't paid no more than like 500 bucks within this period of time. She's on a special program, so we're getting results within 30 to 60 days. We anticipate that she'll be in and out of the program within 90 days. Some clients that do the monthly subscription, they go into it for, sometimes 90 days, 180 days. And they start with as little as $150 or $100 a month. So this is all transparency. We do have special pricing for those that just want to get a quick fix and be done. And you can contact us within the description below. You'll have a link where you can go to the website. You can get a free consultation. You also can call, and we will get you set up. All right. Again, this client right here, within the next 30 to 60 days for sure, will be in the middle 700s. And then if she add our primary trade lines, or even if she add authorized user trade lines, of course, those scores will skyrocket. So This is how our process works. Just wanted to give you guys a preview that we do get results. We do have systems in place. We got a decent team available to help you, and we can get this stuff done within 30 to 60 days on the average, depending on your budget. And if you're not in a rush, we can do systematically, a monthly subscription, and help you still get the results you want. That way, you can buy the houses that you want, you can get the car that you want, you can qualify for what it is that you want. So this is our credit repair service with Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant. So be sure just to subscribe, smash that like button. That way you get the alerts, and please share this channel with others, and join us on our IG and on our Facebook as well. Again, Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant. We get results with this credit repair. We do have primary trade lines. We do help with personal loans and business loans. We have package deals where we guarantee you to get you the 800 credit score and turn around and get you 50 to 75 grand within a 90 business day period. So feel free to contact us within the description below. Send us an email, send us a phone call, schedule your free consultation today, and we'll be happy to get you on your way. Happy credit improvement. Until next time, stay up.